The digital world is a playground, but for some, it's a master key entry into your most private moments. You think your messages disappear. You think your encryption is a steel wall. You're wrong. Right now there are tools circulating in the underground, apps so discreet and so powerful that they don't just bypass security, they live inside it. I'm talking about the exact software elite digital operatives use to mirror your WhatsApp, intercept your Instagram DMs, and ghost your Snapchat history before the open notification even triggers. In the next few minutes, I am going to pull back the curtain on the 5 specific mobile applications that are currently redefining the meaning of surveillance. By the time we reach the #1 spot, you'll realize that your phone isn't just a tool, it's a window, and the blinds are wide open. But before we dive into these specific exploits, I need to know something. Be honest in the comments right now. Have you ever felt like someone was reading your messages, or have you noticed your battery draining faster than usual for no reason? Drop your experience below. Your answer might actually reveal if you're already a target. Before we proceed, a critical mandate. The information provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes and ethical awareness only. We do not advise, condone, or encourage anyone to use these tools or strategies to infiltrate anyone's privacy, or violate any laws. Understanding how these tools work is the only way to defend against them. Knowledge is your only shield in an era where privacy is becoming a myth. Now, if you are currently in a situation where you feel your security has been compromised, or if you need the professional assistance of a certified expert for account recoveries, accurate stolen money recovery, or setting up legitimate remote monitoring of your kids' devices for their own safety, do not go at it alone. You can find the link to contact certified ethical hackers and access specialized resources in the pinned comment and the video description below. These are the experts who understand the architecture of these threats and how to neutralize them. Let's start with number 5, the Shadow Mirror Protocol. This isn't just one app, but actually a whole class of cloud-based synchronization tools that were originally designed for data backup. In the hands of someone who knows what they're doing, these apps are repurposed to create a live, secondary instance of your WhatsApp or Telegram. They don't hack the server. Instead, they exploit the multi-device feature. By briefly gaining access to a device, an operative can link your account to a hidden tablet or a desktop browser. The result? Every single text you send or receive is duplicated in real time on their end. You won't see a notification, you won't see a change, but they are there, reading every word as you type it. If you're finding this insight valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Fastest Fix right now. We deconstruct the digital world so you can stay one step ahead. Moving to number 4, the Packet Sniffer mobile variants. This is where things get, well, pretty technical. Apps like Interceptor NG or similar Wi-Fi analysis tools allow a user on the same network, be it a public coffee shop or even your home Wi-Fi, to sniff data packets out of the air. While most apps use HTTPS encryption, many older versions or third-party plugins have vulnerabilities. These tools allow a silent observer to reconstruct image files or text strings being sent over the network. It's kind of like someone catching a letter in the air, reading it, and then letting it fly to its destination. It's silent, it's invisible, and most people never see it coming. Number 3 on our list involves remote access Trojans, or RATs, disguised as utility apps. Have you ever downloaded a battery booster or a free wallpaper app from an unofficial source? These are often the Trojan horses of the mobile world. Once installed, they grant high-level permissions to the microphone, camera, and, most importantly, the accessibility services. By gaining access to accessibility, the app can literally read the screen. It doesn't need to break Instagram's encryption because it's simply reading the text as it appears on your screen, just like you are. It's an elegant, terrifying workaround that bypasses the most expensive security systems in the world. If you're realizing just how vulnerable your data is, remember that professional help is available. Whether it's securing your family's digital footprint or recovering what's been lost, check the pinned comment for links to certified experts and tools designed to protect your digital life. Also, share this video with one person you care about. Don't let them stay in the dark. Number 2. The SIM hijack simulation. While not a direct app on your phone, there are carrier-level interface apps used by technicians that can be exploited. If someone can redirect your SMS verification codes to another device, they can recover your Instagram or WhatsApp account onto their own hardware. Your phone goes dead for a second, you lose signal, and by the time it's back, your sessions have been logged out. They aren't just reading your chats, they own them. And finally, the number 1 tool used by those who operate in the shadows, the Zero-Click Diagnostic Suite. These are high-tier, often state-level tools that have trickled down into the hands of sophisticated private entities. These tools exploit zero-day vulnerabilities, security holes that even the developers of the phone don't know exist yet. They can be triggered by a simple missed call on WhatsApp or a hidden file sent via a direct message. You don't even have to click open. Once the exploit is triggered, the entire file system of your device is indexed. Photos, deleted chats, even your GPS history. Everything is laid bare. This level of access is why staying informed is no longer optional. It's a survival skill. Are you going to check your settings after this? Let me know in the comments what your first step is going to be. Make sure you've subscribed to Fastest Fix for more deep dives into the digital underground. Check the description for those expert links and recovery resources we discussed. Stay aware, stay secure, and remember, if you aren't looking at your privacy, someone else is.